So you're thinking about moving to the Madisonville, Covington area, and you're curious to know a little bit more about the cities, and you're wanting to know what some of the homes on the market look like. Well, I'm here at the Madisonville riverfront getting ready to show you this house and this house. Both are between 5 and 10 minutes away from this beautiful location. One of those homes being in the $300,000 to $400,000 price range, and the other being in the $400,000 to $500,000 price range. But anyways, if that sounds like something you would at all be interested in, make sure you stay tuned, and we're getting after it right now. Hey, if this is your first time to this channel and you want to know anything and everything about living in South Louisiana, the good and the bad, you're going to want to make sure you subscribe and tap that notification bell as well so that you can be the first to learn about the current real estate market here in South Louisiana. And if we haven't met before, I'm Carson, and my girlfriend Natalie and I are real estate agents here in Madisonville, Louisiana with Weichert Realtors, Loescher Properties. And we love helping people just like you with the process of buying and selling real estate. So if you're down here and you're looking to sell a house, we'll either help you sell it or just buy it ourselves. We're also investors. And if you're looking to relocate here, whether it's in the next 9 days or the next 90 days, whatever it happens to be, all of our contact info is in the description down below. So go ahead and give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or even schedule a Zoom call with us. It all starts with you reaching out to us, because we're here to help you with your smooth move to South Louisiana. But anyways, back to the video. But a little bit about the cities. So Madisonville and Covington are what we call North Shore cities. We're on the North Shore of Lake Pontchartrain. Madisonville's got a population of like 1,000, and Covington 10,000-ish. You're about 45 minutes away from New Orleans as well as the airport. They've got very good school systems, and the crime isn't bad over here. It's not completely suburban, and it's not completely rural. It's more of a suburban rural mix. If you want land, you can find land, but there's also a ton of subdivisions. Subdivisions like the Preserve at River Chase and Arbor Walk, which are the two that we're checking out today. But anyways, see y'all at house number uno. Okay, so the first house I'm going to be showing you guys today is in a subdivision called the Preserve at River Chase, and this is a lot of new construction homes. Okay, this is a new subdivision, and let me tell you something, you are so close to all of the restaurants and grocery stores that you're going to need to be going to in River Chase. There's a Sam's Club right there. There's also a Target. There's a Best Buy. I mean, all kinds of restaurants. You're super close to Keith Young's as well, which is my favorite restaurant. This is the house right here, but I'm gonna first show you some of these other homes just so you can see what I'm talking about. Look at all these homes. All these beautiful new construction homes. So it's a 3-bed, 2.5 bath home, 1,920 square feet, okay? And it has that new construction smell. I love these floors. Really like these light fixtures. Check this one out too. Granite and stainless steel and white cabinets in the kitchen, of course, because that's what's in style right now. So there's not a ton of space downstairs, but you've got enough room for a living room. Obviously open floor plan here. Got your kitchen, and down here there's a hallway. I'm sorry, half bath. Okay. And then there's what could be used as a formal dining room. But then up the stairs, we got a laundry room right here. And check out the floors in this laundry room. These are really nice floors for a laundry room. They're glistening. And then we've got 3 bedrooms, okay? We've got one right here. We've got bedroom number 2 right here. Let's check out the closet space. Okay. Here's the closet in the first bedroom, by the way. Nice. And these bedrooms share a bathroom. As you can see, granite counters in the bathroom, and it is a full bath. Here's your bathtub slash shower. And in the master bedroom, we got lots of space in here and a walk-in closet, as you can see. Wait till you see this shower too. First off, dual sinks, granite counters, bathtub here. That's a really nice bathtub. And friendly neighborhood realtor. And check out this shower. Just look at it. I forgot to show you this view from the master bedroom too. Check this out. And as you can see, if you didn't notice, there was no driveway out front, so you're gonna park your cars in the back, and I'll show you that. Here's what I mean. There's a carport right here. You are fenced in, by the way, which is awesome. But yeah, there's a carport and there's some storage space in here too. See? And there's this little driveway that goes behind all of these houses. Okay, and there's your carport. But yeah, beautiful new construction home like this for $349,900. That is $182 per square foot. Not bad. But anyways, I say we go get some shots of the neighborhood so you can see what some of the other homes in the preserve at River Chase look like. And I'll see y'all at house number 2. Right, we are here. So house number 2 is in a subdivision called Arbor Walk. You're off of Highway 21. So everything that I mentioned for that first house, you're close by as well. Target, Sam's Club, walk-ons, the whole deal. It's so peaceful back here in this neighborhood. Here's some of the houses, and check out all this green space. But anyways, the house is right here. Let's go check it out. So as you can see here, when we walk in, first thing you see is this living room, which is very spacious, and you'll notice the tall ceilings as well. And then we flow right into the kitchen here. So you've got a ton of space in this kitchen. You can put a kitchen table over here somewhere, stock that full of wine and coffee cups, whatever you please. More storage over this way, and another place where you could put a dining table. And on this side of the house, you pretty much just have your half bath here. And then you've got your laundry. And then huge garage here as well. Check out this garage. And on this side of the house, you got 2 bedrooms. You got one right here and one right here. And they share a full bathroom here. The master's over this way. Very big, and again, those tall ceilings. And the master bathroom is in here. Okay, and here's the tub. And you do have a walk-in closet right here. Oh, and by the way, this house has a sunroom. Check out this skylight too. See that? Let's check out this map and find where we're at. So we are right here. Where are you guys at? Let me know in the comments. And we've got a screened-in patio back here. So 3 beds, 2.5 baths. 2,289 square feet, and the price for this one is $423,000. So that gives us a price per square foot of $185. And right now in Madisonville, the median price per square foot is $204. So it's a pretty good deal. But anyways, before you guys go, I'm gonna get some shots of the neighborhood so you can see what Arbor Walk has to offer. Well, that's about all for today's video, guys. I hope you got some value out of seeing some houses with me today. If you have any questions, or if you're looking to make your move in the next 9 days or the next 90 days, all the contact info is in the description down below. Thank you so much for staying tuned to the end, and make sure you like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell as well, and I hope to show you around town.